Okay. Okay, so we beveled this edge so that it keys in a little easier there. And we're gonna give it a bit of taparoo, and remember we've got that edge beveled so that it'll just drive in. Oh, and we just bevel this with a utility knife. It's easy enough. And we're gonna set that down. Wally.
I'm thinking my photo and it's to get to write something.
Oh yeah?
But it's for airplane.
Interesting.
What airplane is that?
Uh-huh.
We have
There we go. Tap it down good and tight. Now, there you go, see? Good and snug. Now I'm gonna pilot drill some holes into these first two boards here. For the finish nails. Now we want to pilot drill because this is really old oak. It was, well, original to the house. Old, which makes it 80 something. So we pilot drill so it don't split. Okay, see you in a little bit.